What's going on, guys? Sean here. Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna give you 4 things that you can do today to manage your time better. So if you're ready, let's get into it.
Nerf this!
So speaking of time, I don't want to waste it, so I'm going to jump right into number 1. But real quick, if you are new here, consider subscribing because I do release videos every Monday to get your week going and every Friday to get your weekend started. I also do release bonus videos at random, so click that bell and you won't miss a thing. So number 1 is to just plan your day. If you plan your day, you put all your activities, everything that you need to get done down on paper, and it's gonna make managing everything so much better because when you're looking at everything that you need to do for the day, you have it, boom, right there in front of you. So you know what tasks you have to tackle. Like if you know you're not gonna work out when you get home from your 9-to-5 job, maybe you'll wanna schedule your workout first thing in the morning before you start your shift at your 9-to-5 job. So number 1, guys, is just plan your day, plan your activities that you need to get done, and that'll help you manage your time a lot better. I did make a video similar to this one before, but it was more on things that you're doing that are wasting your time. So this video will really help you manage that time better to do the stuff that you need to do. But I am like dragging right now. I don't gotta go into the office today, so I need to get some coffee. I need to shave this freaking beard off. I need to comb this hair. I don't think I've gelled my hair in like 2 weeks, maybe going on 3. That has to do with me not managing my time better and waking up late and just rolling out of bed and throwing on a hat. So today, we're gonna manage our time better. But first, coffee. I'm gonna use this little frother Lily bought. She loves some frothy in her coffee. Check it out. Look at that foam, huh? Oh shit, I should have the coffee first, huh? Jeez. And you know I haven't had my coffee, so that's why I'm effing up right now. Look at that. Just call me Barista Sean. Scale 1 to 10, how good is it?
Perfect 10. I mean, perfect 10.
Yeah, Barista Sean. Now it's time for mine. Cheers. I just burnt the shit out of my lip, but it's good coffee. Good coffee. So let me finish this and I'm gonna get ready. So I'm all showered up. We kind of hit a snag in this morning. I had to take Lily to an appointment today. However, things just went awry and we can't go. They can't see her today for a number of reasons. And that brings me to tip number 2, and that is to plan for interruptions. Plan for things that aren't gonna go your way. And of course, that's easier said than done, but when you're blocking off time and you're blocking off things that you need to do for the day, make sure to incorporate some sort of unplanned activity. And I'll give you another example. Like if you have a paper to write and you're trying to bang it out in one night, or you know, read 1 chapter of a book, plan for time on your phone or on Instagram or on Facebook if you're on the computer, whatever it is, just plan for interruptions. That way you'll know in the back of your mind, okay, I have X amount of time that I can spend sidetracked. And that'll help you so much in getting stuff done and managing that time that you have planned for that paper you're writing or that homework you're doing or that chapter you're reading. So that's tip number 2. And guys, I'm using the vlog camera today, the Canon G7X Mark II. I used the Beast camera, the Canon Rebel, this one right here, last time. I always link both of them down below. So if you like this one better, leave me a comment and let me know. Or if you want to check them out for yourself, again, I do link everything in the description box. So let's keep this thing going. So someone's a little happy now. Everything get figured out?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because everything... What did you say earlier?
Everything always turns out fine.
Everything turns out fine and everything works out.
Yeah, see?
Because I have the best boss in the world who's understanding and a human being.
Okay, just to give you guys a little synopsis of the events that happened this morning. Basically, Lily had a doctor's appointment. However, there was an issue with the appointment because she recently switched jobs, so her insurance changed from one company to another. Her last visit, they charged the old company after her insurance had moved. So basically, there was just an issue with the appointment. I guess is a simpler way to put it. So she can't go today. So she's rescheduled, which is good, so everything's cool. She now has to take today and go to the registry because tomorrow is her birthday and her license expires. So she's at the point where the registry of motor vehicles is requiring her to retake her picture. So we're going to the R&B. She's doing her hair. I hope she can't hear me, but tonight she's going to get her lashes done. And all right, the hairdryer's going. Tonight she's going to her friend's house to get her lashes done. And Whitney, as you guys have met before, so she's gonna be, we're gonna get her a cake, cards, gonna get her flowers, stuff like that. We agreed not to do anything big this year just because we're trying to save it for the wedding, but she's gonna be super surprised and she won't see this because it'll go up on Friday evening after tonight. So it's a little something I wanted to do for her birthday, but credit to Whitney, she really did all the legwork on this one, as usual. So I'm excited to celebrate with her tonight and give her a little surprise. And so now she's just getting ready. We're gonna go to the R&B, we're gonna get some lunch. So this day that she thought was gonna be bad is gonna be a success. Hopefully the rain will hold up. So we're about to go to the R&B to get Lily's license renewed because her birthday is tomorrow. And she's excited and she's a happy girl because this day is working out just fine. So let's make our way there. So we're at the R&V right now. Lily says I'm not supposed to bring this in there. I don't see why not, but I'm just gonna take her word for it. So we're gonna go get her license renewed. Those people.
Next to us?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Alright, let's go.
Do I look?
Alright, that process is complete. The license is renewed.
Woo!
And now she can fly. She doesn't have to worry about renewing it because she got the real ID. Whatever that is. I'm gonna have to do it before 2021, I think. But yeah, she's all squared away. Happy girl. Now we're gonna feed her. We're gonna feed her so she doesn't get hangry. And on the way, I'm gonna give you the next tip on how to manage your time.
Anything else?
That's it.
Thank you, driving up, please.
Thank you.
I got it for you.
Thanks, babe. I knew you weren't gonna get anything. And I'm
like,
like, if he doesn't get anything and we drove all the way here to have lunch together, I'm gonna be pissed. But you did.
Gunther Tooties. Okay, so we're in the parking lot. We're gonna crush this food real quick. I'm breaking my fast a little early today, but I'm doing it for the shwee. So I didn't want to give the third tip while I was driving because this is a very, very important one. And I feel like this just starts the day off right. That is to eat the frog. That is to do the most important task first. So whatever you need to get done that day, do that first. That's gonna propel you forward into productivity. So definitely do the most important task first. Like if you know, all right, I gotta go to the gym, I gotta write this paper, I gotta file these reports, I gotta go pick up groceries, and you know that you filing those reports or writing that paper is the most important thing. Bang that out first. I say eat that frog because there's a book called Eat That Frog. I'll link it in the description. It's all about doing the most important task first, or eating that frog, because no one wants to eat the frog. So do that first. That is the third tip. So I'll give you the fourth tip when I get back home. Games. Babe? So Lily's outside with Diego right now. I did get her birthday card in CVS on the way home. I picked up like this little seltzer water and a Monster. Here she comes, here she comes. Did he poop?
No, he peed.
Okay. Alright, I went upstairs to the bathroom. She's downstairs. I hope she can't hear me. But what I was gonna say is I got her card. She's going to get her eyebrows done at Whitney's, and that's we're gonna surprise her with cake and stuff. But I'm gonna go back downstairs, wrap up the video, and then the next video, maybe I'll make it a bonus video, I'm not sure. I will show you guys what happens later on, so stay tuned and make sure you got those post notifications on. I'm gonna wrap the video up here and give you the last tip. The last tip is to know your power hour, and what I mean by that is to know when you're gonna be the most productive. So if you're a morning person, obviously you're gonna be more productive in the morning, so try to schedule the bulk of your tasks or all of your tasks earlier in the day. Or if you're a night owl, obviously you want to schedule the stuff that you need to get done later in the day. Just know yourself, know your body, and know when you're going to do your best work. And I can really relate this to exercise. I'm not a morning person, so I always have a better workout later in the day. Although I don't like going at night just because it's always super crowded after work. Ideally, if I didn't have, you know, an office job, I would probably go midday like I'm gonna go today. However, it's more beneficial to my schedule if I do it in the morning, but I know that I'll get a better workout later in the day because I'm just not wired that way to operate better in the morning. Number 4 is to know your power hour, and I'm gonna throw in a bonus tip just because it's on the top of my noggin right now. You gotta be disciplined, all right? So tip number 5, the bonus tip, is to stay disciplined. When you make a schedule, stick to it, all right? Stick to it as best you can. I know there's gonna be times in your life where situations arise that you're not gonna be in control 100%, but as best as you can, stick to your schedule, stick to your dedicated blocks of time for everything that you got going. And if you need a little refresher, right here, I'll just float everything right there for you. All 4 tips plus the bonus tip. Guys, I do release videos every Monday to get your week going, every Friday to get your weekend started. Turn those post notifications on so you won't miss a thing, because I do release bonus videos at random. Also, if you are new here, consider subscribing, because in these videos, I try to make you the best version of you. So I appreciate you guys checking it out. I will catch you in the next one. Signing off.